Parent-teacher conferences will be scheduled through the Skyward Family Access this year. So this is a quick tutorial to show you how to schedule those conferences for your student. So the first thing you will do is log on to your Parent Skyward and then click on the student. Once you have clicked on that student, on the left-hand side, you will see the option for conferences. So you click on that. And then you'll notice it says view scheduled times and then all conferences. You will click on all conferences, which will bring up your student's schedule and their teachers. And once you have done that, you will choose which teachers you want to meet with. So I will choose Curtis Mulvenon and I will select a time here. So I would like this one, November 11th at 5. I will select that. And then this is important, you need to click that save button. So I've got that saved, and then I'll go to our 5th hour class and select a time. And I might want that at 5:40, so I select and save. And so you go through your student's schedule and determine which teachers you want to see and create a time for that. Now, once you are finished choosing those times, you can view your scheduled times here. This is important too, that if you need to change your conference time, you can unschedule that by clicking there on Unschedule, and then click the save, and then that will be removed. So you will get an email after you have scheduled this time with your student's teacher. You'll get an email that will remind you of the conference time, and then you will also receive an email from the teacher inviting you into their WebEx room with a link to that WebEx meeting space, as conferences are being held online this year. Thank you.